So it is like page 143 है ना. So listen, I interrupted, drawing myself up and animating my features to their full extent, and speaking with a withering scorn that should have blasted the man on the spot. Listen, I came here for a photograph, a picture, something which would have looked like me. I wanted something that would depict my face as heaven gave it to me, humble though the gift may have been. I wanted something that my friends might keep after my death, to reconcile them to my loss. Reconcile means come to agree with. So they should agree with my loss. That means मेरे loss को compensate कर लें. It seems that I was mistaken, but I made a mistake by coming to you. तुम्हारे पास आके तो मैंने गलती कर दी. What I wanted is no longer done. और जो मुझे चाहिए था, that photograph you did not give me. Go on then with your brutal work. बेटा brutal का मतलब है harsh. Harsh का मतलब होता है cruel. Insensitive means you were not able to understand my emotions. You were not able to understand my feelings. And that is why the photographer is being called as cruel, brutal, insensitive. Take your negative or whatever it is you call it, dip it in sulfide, bromide, oxide, cowhide, anything you like. तो ये नेगेटिव अपने पास रखो, इसको जितना सुंदर बनाना है, जो प्रोसेस अप्लाई करना है वो इसके ऊपर कर दो. एंड रिमूव द आईज, correct the mouth, adjust the face, restore the lips, reanimate the necktie and reconstruct the waistcoat. मतलब everything you can do. Coat it with an inch of gloss, इसके ऊपर खूब सारा शाइनिंग लगा दो. Shade it और बेटा emboss it, चाहो तो इसे बेटा bulge up कर दो, bigger बना दो. Gild it का मतलब cover it. Till even you acknowledge that it is finished. इसका मतलब show all your creativity on my photograph. However you want to, you are free to do. पर बेटा then when you have done all that, keep it for yourself. But please don't give it to me because this is not mine. And your friends. और बेटा अपने पास रखो, अपने दोस्तों को दो, क्योंकि तुमने बहुत क्रिएटिविटी दिखाई है. They may value it. उनके लिए प्रेशियस हो सकती है वो retouched photograph. To me it is but a worthless bauble का मतलब useless, जैसे बोलते cheap piece of बेटा jewelry. बहुत ही cheap चीज़ है मेरे लिए ये. I broke into tears and left, and he was बेटा very emotional. उसको थोड़ा सा दुख हुआ, आंसू आ गए, and he went away. Wait, hold on. The very big question, why did the narrator cry? Why did he break into tears? रोने की क्या ज़रूरत थी? तो बेटा रोने की ज़रूरत ये नहीं थी कि उसका चेहरा जो है वो चेंज किया. रोने की ज़रूरत ये थी that the photographer was insensitive. He could not understand the emotions of the person. And he was only showing his creativity, and that he wanted to give it to his friends. That purpose was not solved. So he was not sad about कि मेरा चेहरा अच्छा नहीं है और ऐसा और वैसा. बस उसको दुख इस बात का हुआ कि उसका पर्पस जो है वो फेल हो गया. ठीक है.